guys. As you can see, we have the master lock here today, and it has the combination. And as of right now, the combination is set to 0, 0, 0, 0. And as you can see, it can lock down and unlock. Okay. To change the code, we're going to do this as simply as possible. What you want to do is turn it to where it's right there. Press down, and we're going to turn it till it's like that. And then we're going to change the code to, let's change it to 2, 2, all twos, 4 twos. So 2, and another 2. So gonna get them all lined up. Okay, can you guys see that? All twos. Okay. Then, once you got it set to all twos, you're going to come back up with it. And there you go. It was that simple, you guys. It's set to all twos now. So if you change it to 2229, it's not going to unlock. So you change it to 2222, and it unlocks. Yeah, so guys, it was a simple process. All you got to do is turn it like where the back is facing like that. Go down and turn that way, set your numbers, come back up, and lock. Now if you guys didn't get that, we're going to do a close-up of how to do it. As you can see, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.